talk about it, just do that shit. Got these bitches saying, yeah, he do that shit.
What is good, YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video, and I want to start off by saying I'm sorry for this lighting. It's very bad, actually. Before, I used to have a window in like the front of my computer area, and I recently moved, so I don't have that anymore. And that's kind of one of the things I wanted to mention was, damn, I'm starting this video off on a tangent already. Anyways, if you guys have been following the channel, I did not make a checkout video these past 2 weeks. Well, actually, one of the reasons for 1 week was because I didn't like it. The second reason was because, let me explain as I go. So I use OBS to record, right? And a lot of the times that I fuck up, it's my end, right? Like it's me. But this time, I guess I was like recording, and when I pressed stop recording, it wouldn't stop recording. So I looked it up, and I guess it's an issue sometimes with when you output it as MP4. I don't know why or how that happened, but it's never happened before. So I figured out how to, like, I guess like a workaround way. So I fixed that. So like last video, when I try to like make the video, like everything went smooth. Like I checked out the jars and the fucking water bottle, so it was a nice video. And then like when I found out I couldn't be outputted, I was like super sad. So I didn't make a video at all. But anyways, today is week 12. That was a weird little intro, and I will be going for one thing from all this stuff that you see here, the whatever collaboration with Fox Racing. I do not have a motorcycle at all, and there's nothing I like from the lookbook, so I will be going for, I don't know if it's like has to be a motorcycle, like a bike or something. I don't know, a bike. I'm gonna be going for these like hand grips. I think they're cool. I don't have a bike now, but I kind of want to get one. Like I feel like they're pretty fun to ride around, like especially now that it's summer. So I might just get one. Hopefully they fit. I don't know like the sizing on this stuff or how it works, but hopefully it fits. And I need to fix this lighting really bad, so I'm probably gonna buy like a light and put it somewhere here because this looks terrible. So I don't even think you guys can see my face. I'm so brown. Yeah. So 8:59. That's kind of all I wanted to say. Yeah. Thank you guys all so much for continuing to watch the videos. If you're watching this now, thank you, because I've been gone for like 2 weeks, and I am out of school now. So hopefully I can start doing those videos that I said I was gonna do like 5 months ago. But yeah, here we go. Oh my god, am I even signed into Google? Yep, that would have been bad. I would have not had time to check out. I think it's under accessories, right? Also, the internet in this area is so garbage, bro. Like, it's absolutely trash. So I called CenturyLink. I have CenturyLink. If you guys know CenturyLink, they're so bad. Like, they're absolutely terrible. Do not get CenturyLink. They fuck you over every single time. So yeah, I called them that I was moving or whatever, and I was like busy because of school. So I called like very last minute, and I figured it would take like a day or two to get the internet back up. Turns out there was like no wiring in the house for like the internet, and on top of that, like the area was very bad. Like as far as I don't know how to explain it, but I was getting like 3 times slower than my old house. So I have to wait for like 30 days for my contract to end, and then I can get like Xfinity. Oh, by the way, I copped them, so that's cool. That was very easy. So let's actually go back really fast. See if they're still there. But yeah, I have to wait 30 days now. So after that, I should be getting Xfinity, and my internet should be great again. Yeah, that sold out hella quick. Yeah, so I got them pretty easily, honestly. I didn't want the goggles. I didn't want the helmet. Like, I buy a lot of stuff that I don't need, but that I really don't need. Like, why? Like, I don't see it. Like, for what? Now they're sold out. Yeah, I know probably a lot of people want to see like the goggles checkout video, and I'm sorry I didn't do that, but I like to spend my money not wisely. Okay, I don't spend my money wisely at all. I don't know where I'm getting at, but I didn't want the goggles. Hopefully the video was still somewhat enjoyable. I'm sorry I didn't make a video these past 2 weeks. I will continue to be making videos if I want to buy something, because a lot of times I don't want to buy it, especially this season. It's been pretty bad in my opinion. So I've just been kind of straying away from Supreme. going to be selling a bunch of my stuff in this upcoming week or two, so I will leave my Grailed in the description. If you guys want to buy anything, let me know that you're a subscriber. I'll give you like $1 off, or like 50, I don't know, $2, I don't know. Anyways, that was it for the video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Hopefully you, like I said, hopefully you enjoyed the video, because it was just one thing. But like I said, I want to still be consistent and check out videos. I just don't really like a lot of the stuff that's coming out. So hopefully that's okay with you guys. But yeah, look out for more videos in the upcoming week. I'm out of school, so I'm going to have some time. Appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys sometime next week. Peace.